Together we can, understanding collective power in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase, together we can. This phrase is not just about grammar or vocabulary, but also about the spirit it conveys. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, together we can, is a powerful expression of collective strength and unity. It implies that by working as a group, we can achieve more than we can alone. This phrase is often used to motivate and inspire teamwork and collaboration. It's about believing in the power of unity and collective effort. 1. Together. This word signifies the act of being united or in collaboration with others. It's not just physical togetherness. It also represents a mental or emotional alignment with a group. 2. We. This is a plural pronoun, representing a group that includes the speaker. It's inclusive and emphasizes participation by all members of the group. 3. Can. This word is a modal verb that expresses ability or possibility. Here, it conveys the potential or capability of the group when they are united. Together we can is often used in various contexts. 1. Motivational speeches, to inspire teamwork and collective effort. 2. Social movements, to encourage unity in striving for a common goal. 3. Educational settings, to promote collaboration among students or teachers. 4. Corporate world, in team-building exercises or project meetings to foster a sense of unity and shared purpose. The phrase goes beyond mere words. It carries an emotional and cultural significance. It's a call to action that resonates with human emotions like hope, solidarity, and determination. It's often used in situations that require collective effort to overcome challenges or achieve significant goals. Together we can is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful expression of unity and collective capability. It highlights the importance of working together and the amazing things we can achieve as a team. We hope this video has not only helped you understand its meaning but also inspired you to think about the power of collaboration in your own life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next lesson.